Hi everyone, so I'm back to share another little journal with you. This is another Christmas themed journal, and I've used kits from Artymaze, I've used kits from my own shop, I have used some Tsumani Rose, and it's all kind of muddled up together. So the journal, the cover, this was some wallpaper that I got from B&Q here in the UK. It was just a sample piece, which is quite a big sample actually. And I didn't ink it up. I gessoed it. I used some paints. I've got a very short video, just showing you like what I used and how it obviously turned out. I didn't actually do a video on it, but I might actually do a video on using this for a journal cover. See if I can get that done tomorrow. This was white to start with, and as you can see, I used red and black, and believe it or not, there's a bit of I can't remember what colour it was, like a bluey greeny colour as well, but you can't even see it now. And then I went over it again with a little bit of gesso, kind of just like sponging it on, and then I used some gold acrylic paint just to highlight the pieces that are like raised, the embossed part. So the little journal measures, it's 7 by 4 1/4. It has one signature, 56 pages front and back, and it will be listed in my shop if you're interested. I've got a few things on there at the moment, and I'm keeping them at a reduced price, so when they're gone, they're gone. I don't know how much longer I will keep the journals on sale for. I think I've done it for most of last month. All journals have got a reduction, or anything physically made on there is reduced in price. So anyway, we've got eyelets here. On this is some collage paper from Artymaze. This is from her new kit. What's that called? I cannot remember. My brain is like mush for some reason. Honestly, I think it's a medication that they've put me on. I'm literally forgetting things all the time. Either that or it's just being 50 and age creeping in, who knows. So yeah, that's the cover. I do love how that came out, I really did. This is from Artymaze. Got a pocket here. We've got this tags from my kit, which is called Old Time Christmas. I will link the Christmas kits below. This is from Artymaze, from her Christmas collage kit. This is the Old Design shop, and these little oval labels are from Tsumani Rose. That's a little bit of kind of full washi that I made from some of Artymaze's new. No, it's actually a freebie. She's got a freebie over on our coffee shop if you want to go over and grab that. And again, this is Tsunami Rose. Then here we've got a little tuck. It's actually a double tuck. And I made a little booklet. These are the freebie pages. She's so generous with her freebies. So she is. This is from last year's freebies. I never actually used that kit last year because the time that I kind of stopped making Christmas albums at that particular, Christmas journals at that particular time. But I'm really enjoying making the Christmas journals at the moment for some reason. I don't normally make this much, or this much in December. So this is just a little booklet made from, I printed this 2 to a page, so it's obviously, it is bigger than that, but I just wanted to make little journals. Then here again, some full washi. This is from Tsunami Rose. The pockets are from my kit, and that is from my kit as well. And I've kind of mixed and matched the eyelash trim with some kind of golden white and some red for a little bit of festivity. This is Artymaze from her Christmas collage kit. These are just paper clipped on. There is lots of journal space. So we've got that there, and little tag there. And that goes on there like so. Then here, this is just a belly band. I haven't put anything in it because it was getting a bit like chunky for what it is. You want to be able to put your own, you know, your own pictures and your own keepsakes in a journal. So this paper, I don't know where I got that from, but I'm sure somebody gifted me that, because it's not something that I do remember actually having. And obviously that is the little belly band there, and then I've just glued this on the top that is from Tsunami Rose. Then here we've got a top tuck, and just a selection that's from my shop, Artymaze and Artymaze. I made a paper ruffle using Artymaze's, that's the freebie that she's got at the moment. Then this is Artymaze, and then here we've just got a little flip there, and this is from one of our kits. I think it's the collage, Christmas collage from last year. But she has actually got quite a few. My light's flickering. My ring light is flickering. She has actually got a few freebies this year for our Christmas digitals. This is from my shop, my old time Christmas, which comes in 2 sizes, normal journal size and a traveller's notebook size. They're both listed separately, and that just goes on there like so. Little bit of full washi. This paper here is from Bohemian Crafting, and then the little label is from Tsunami Rose, and that's kind of wrapping around. Here another pocket, that's from my kit, Artymaze freebie from last year, and this is from my old time Christmas. And do you know what, I haven't, all my digitals are still 99p as well. I haven't went on and changed it, so I'm just going to keep them throughout the month of December for 99p. That was just a little embellishment from one of Artymaze's kits. Some journal space, the full washi, just from Artymaze's papers, and that is from Tsunami Rose. And then here we have got some beads and some jingle bells, and I've done the green, and they're the little like Wondell beads, I think they were called. That's a little flip out. Whoops, that's fell off. Not fell off, but it was paper clipped on, so you could put something in there. You can actually tuck something inside there as well, like so. Obviously not that wide. And then that is just paper clipped on there like that. Some journal space. That's actually a little pocket as well for you to tuck something in. Some full washi, and they're from Tsunami Rose. Wraps around the page. Here we have a tag and another tag. That's Artymaze. This one here is from my kit, and this is Artymaze's freebie kit. Pocket is from my kit. Little bit of washi here, Jingle All the Way label, some paper ruffle that I made, and that's again from Artymaze's freebie papers. This is from my kit, so is that goes in there like so. And another bit of kind of full washi there. Love this collage kit, I really do. Another little bit of kind of full washi that I made from Artymaze's kit, and this is from Tsunami Rose. Little corner tuck here. This is from one of Artymaze's kits. Can't remember which one that is. It was stuff. I've got a massive big folder full of Christmas stuff now, and that was in there. And then these are actually supposed to be like doubled up, but they were kind of too big to put in anywhere, so I just kind of left them singular and popped them there and added that one there like so. This is Merry Christmas. That's from my kit, Artymaze freebie. And then here we've got a flip out. We've got this here. That's from Artymaze as well, and that is opened there as well, so if you wanted to tuck something in there you can do. And we'll put that away. Oh no, we'll put it that away so we can see that peeking out. Little bit of full washi. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Here is another little belly band there, and that kind of sticks out the top and the bottom. And then here is another flip, another little booklet that I made from Artymaze's papers. And then there's just a little journal card. And I don't know where that's from. And that is from one of Artymaze's kits. And that goes in there. And did I say that that's opened as well if you want to tuck something inside there? And I think that's it. Yes, I think that is it. That is the journal. So that's the chunky little monkey that it turned out to be. Love that cover, really do. So like I said, this will be listed in my shop. All my journals have got a reduced price at the moment, and all my digitals are 99p. Go over and check it out. If you have any questions about the journal, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.